Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute notification from people you don't follow on Twitter. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Twitter has announced new advanced filters so you can snooze notification on accounts that you don't follow you. Recently, Twitter update so you can mute accounts that have a default profile photo, those without a confirmed email address or phone number, and accounts you don't follow. So how to do it if you don't want to get any notification from people you don't follow? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitter. Now you can tap on your profile on the up left corner here. Now tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down and tap on notifications. You can select the kinds of notification you get about activities. Now you can tap on filters. Tap on mute notifications. So in here, you can mute notification from specific people. Like if you don't want to get any notification from people you don't follow, you can choose on you don't follow. Who don't follow you, so people who don't follow you, but you follow them back, you can choose on who don't follow. Or you want people who have a default profile photo, you can choose here, or you can choose who haven't confirmed their email here, or who haven't confirmed their phone number here, you can choose. But if you don't only want people who don't follow you, you can just choose on you don't follow or you don't follow you here. I will choose this two for people that don't follow me and who didn't and I don't follow them. So Twitter will not give you notification from that people. So that is how to mute notification from people you don't follow on Twitter. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.